Welcome to our school, Vivero Aundh. Today was the best day ever because we got to play outdoors. We were super excited to go out and explore. First, we went to the mud kitchen. Squish, squash. We made pretend ladoos and yummy soup, and even pasta sauce. The mud felt so soft and funny in our hands. Then it was time for sand play. We filled our buckets and shared it with our friends. We made so many fun things together. After all that fun, it was drawing time. We drew everything we loved. Some of us drew our favorite things. Some made colorful, happy scribbles. We ran, we laughed, and we played. We got a little messy too. But that's the best part of learning and having fun. We love our outdoor days at Vivero.